Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have 69 reg BMW X1. 69 reg BMW X1. Front parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels, remote central locking, petrol, xDrive, so that's 4-wheel drive, 2 litre I, rear parking sensors, in a nice burnt orange colour, opening panoramic roof, Isofix front seat, heated seats as well. Your instruction manual's in there. Two USB-Cs in the middle there. Isofix rear seat. Electric rear windows. Large boot area. Inflation kit in there with locking wheel nut key in that hole there. Four electric windows, electric folding mirrors, electronic lumbar support, height adjustable driver's seat, automatic lights. Vehicle's done 25,709 miles. Foot on the brake, push this button, starts the vehicle. Dual climate control, heated seats, automatic, obviously. Different drive modes here, parking sensors on and off, handbrake. This controls this here. USB here. This pocket you can adjust this where you want. Another pocket there to store stuff. Cruise control, speed limiter here. Voice activation. You can move these where you wish, basically. Navigation, sat nav. DAB radio. Dual climate control. Tiptronic, if you wish to drive Tiptronically. Auto wipers here as well. This is your stop start, you can turn off here. This button here controls this menu here. You can have what you want in that menu, basically. To turn the vehicle off, push this button here. That turns the vehicle off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.